Welcome back. This is episode 3 of my Castle Crashers playthrough. We chose the Green Knight to start off with, which I was not expecting. I expected to play the Red Knight, because that's what I've always played in the past. But we're playing the Green Knight. We've gotten up to level 14. Got a little elephant guy. And let's get back into it. I was looking at the wiki because I was curious about like how strong the main 4 knights actually are. And what actually makes the Green Knight one of the worst knights is his heavy attack combo, how he does like the spin. Is this everything I want? How fast do I shoot? Yeah, because I've been leveling archery and speed. Yeah, so I think I want to max out agility, and then after that I'll go for honestly probably magic, which I know his magic isn't great. Let's stop here real quick. Alright, in my experience it isn't great. Also, I'd never bought this. Huh? Did I buy it? I don't fucking know. Alright. Onward. We can't go to the industrial castle yet because we gotta bust a fucking door open. And we left off at Lava World. Got a bunch of like fire bat statues. Oh shit. Oh, these guys are kind of heavy. They don't get carried super easily. Hopefully you guys don't get too annoyed by like the arrow sound, because I'm gonna be shooting. Oh fuck! I'm gonna be shooting a lot of arrows. So if it does annoy you, let me know in the comments. I mean, I'm gonna try to. Oh shit! I'm gonna try to. What the fuck am I saying? I'm gonna try to switch up my my play style, so I'm not just gonna be shooting arrows. I'm not just gonna be melee attacking. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of everything to get good coverage. Make it as non-repetitive as possible. Oh fuck! I also read on the wiki that the Green Knight has a different carry pattern than pretty much every other character in the game. Did I almost just get fucking one shot? Hello? Okay. Ow. Yeah, since I have no defense at all, I get almost fucking one shot by like half the things in the game. Asshole. I got Snoot here though, my little elephant buddy. That guy should be dead. Ooh, gem. Little emerald. Sandwich store. I wonder how much the Green Knight's magic can actually do. Got a sandwich. So I could sit here and just farm sandwiches till I get to the max number. That's kind of lame though. So I'll take one more and then I'll get the fuck out of here. Fuck you, door. And fuck you, Hellbat. There we go. Look at him. Little pussy runoff. Volcano Town. No active volcanoes. That's great. I just planned on vacationing here too. So to have no active volcanoes, I mean, that's what I should expect, right? Why would you allow vacationing somewhere if there's a chance of my fucking place burning up? Ooh, chicken. This guy's dead. Decapitated. Alright. Got a burger. I wonder if I should be comboing magic with arrows. Ow, dickhead. Dickhead? Dickhead? Bang. What I also found out on the wiki, because I said I looked up all 4 of the elemental knights, but orange said that the orange knight or the fire knight was actually not that bad, and it was pretty good. So I don't know if I should trust the wiki, because it also said that red is, well, no, it said some good things about red, but it said like he's very magic dependent, which is true. And that if you run out of magic, you're just kind of doomed, which I agree with that. But talked about how his range can be an issue, but I haven't really come into too many instances where, you know, the electricity needs to span the entire fucking length of the screen. Like red right here would be amazing because these guys walk like in like a zigzag pattern. So you could just, oh yeah, that's right, skeletons are resistant to poison. Oh, this is great. Since they walk in a zigzag pattern, red can just, you know, send out one chain lightning and they all get fried at once. Die. I love to look at them. Look at them. I love to look at them. Nice one. My English is really good, as you can tell. I should go for an English major and fail miserably. I feel like going for an English major is probably the best way for me to start hating my life. Because throughout school, English has always been my least favorite class by a long shot. That's because like I feel like with math, for example, it's like this is the answer or this is not the answer, or there's like a few correct answers, but no matter what, there is a definite answer or a range of definite answers. But with English, I put in my opinion, and it feels like if I put in like the wrong opinion, then I get points taken off. Like, what is that shit? And even if I do put in the right opinion, that's the problem. Is that it's opinion based, partially. I mean, there is a grading format for it, which I don't know. All right, let's beef up. Fuck you, Volcano. Look at him shake. Honestly, he kind of looks like pudding, like a rock hard pudding. I'll get out of my hands. It's nice that I can kind of carry these guys with me as I damage this. I'm not gonna get it. Fuck. That's fine. Oh, they're both dead. Beautiful. I get free sandwiches. I love this level. It's surprisingly the only lava level. I thought they would do more with it. I mean, there was lava in the last level, but this is like we're in the fucking heart of a volcano right now. I guess there's not really a need for 2 levels to be in the heart of a volcano. I can reach him, right? Yeah. Ow. Yeah, so we got this guy who raises his fist sometimes and lets little asshole guys out. We got... I gotta heal. We got this fucker who, if you get too close, will try to bite you, push you into the ground. He also drops rocks like a dickhead. And we just need to attack this guy. Was that sandwich? No, it's a coin. But every time he breathes fire, my god, the amount of twos coming off of that guy. Every time he breathes fire, I gotta step back. Or else I'll get knocked away like that. Alright, I'm gonna heal one more time. I don't really think I need to, but just to be safe. Look at those teeth. God damn. Alright. We got the wheel. So we got the compass, the wheel, and now we just need the telescope. Fucking jammer. Uh-oh. He's back. Alright. They'll level up once or twice. I forget when you stop getting 2 skill points per level up. I think I still get 2 per level up though. I don't have too much money. Like I have enough to buy like sandwiches and the consumable stuff, but I can't buy like any exotic pets or weapons. This weapon's actually pretty damn good. Alright, and now we go to the industrial castle. Now we can beef up and tear this door off. What's up, asshole? Oh yeah, that's right, I'm coming for you. You better watch out. Better watch out, buddy. Buddy pal. These guys are getting kind of shafted. There we go. Easy peasy. Look at this nice portrait. I almost said self-portrait. I doubt he drew that. He's not good at anything. New combo. Alright, that's enough carrying, I think. Maneuver through here. This part is such a pain in the ass, especially for like newer players. Because the timing isn't just 1, 2, 1, 2. There's like a weird gap in between. This one's not too bad. I love this level. I'm probably gonna say that about almost every level we play. There are a few levels that I just find fucking annoying and tedious though. This section can go bad really quick. But for the most part, you just kind of carry them left and right, like always. Look how fast I shoot now. Hell yeah. And they do good damage. I should get a different weapon. This weapon's actually not that great. It is electrocuting them more than I would think it would be. It has like a 2% chance to electrocute someone. Which I don't think does much damage, but does something. There we go. Easy peasy. I'm so glad that these guys aren't heavy like those, like those pointy head fuckers. The ones that, like the Black Knights. Because they would be such a pain in the ass. Those conehead guys are already like one of my least favorite enemies. Excuse me, sir. No buzzsaws here. There we go. Banana. Oh, big guy coming out. This is why archery is especially good. He's kind of quick though. But I'm quicker. You know, I'm trying to show off the archery. And then the magic just does like 2 times the damage. There we go. Not too bad. Cardinal. Let's take him. Sorry, Snoot. You'll be missed. Yeah, haha. Shut up. Sorry, that was a little blunt. I'm just sick of this guy's shit. He's got all his fancy contraptions, thinking he's the shit just because he wears a prince crown. What's wrong with this guy? Excuse me, Mr. Hand. Mr. Hands. I don't think Mr. Hands really has anything to do with Castle Crashers. That's alright, though. Come on. Oh, my God. I don't know if I should potion or not. If that happens again, I'm just fucked, right? There we go. Archery is great against the hand. The hand is normally such a pain in the ass. How much damage does this do? 19? The arrow does 21. Alright. I'm so bad. Stay back. Alright. Just this thing left. Then his whole life crumbles. Ah, no. I'm like fucking 2 hits away. Alright. 2 hits or 1 arrow. Shabingus. No, 2 arrows. There we go. Where are you going with her? Yeah, that's right, little bitch. Look at him. Look how scared he is. Oh, man. You want a kiss? There you go. Get the fuck out of here. Doing a little bit of snooping. Oh, no. So I need a telescope to see that far. But she can just see me from that far with it. Like, is my eyesight dog shit? I've never even thought about that. I've played this game countless times, and I've never even questioned that. I think the Ice King should have given her a telescope. I think that would have been a kind gesture. Or speed. Gotta buy 1 more health potion before we do the next level. Wait, I didn't use any? I'm so proud of myself. Alright, I do want a different weapon. So let's go back. Why did I go to the pet area if I said I want a different weapon? A little bit slow. This poor frog. Just tongue tied down. I want... The lollipop is so good. It's just so good. It gives you 5 speed. That also looks really good. But it's not really what I'm going for. Then we've got these. I've never really used this weapon. It doesn't seem that bad though. I'm not a big fan of like poison elemental weapons or shock elemental weapons. I do really enjoy crit weapons though. Because you get the big crit pop up. It's satisfying. I wonder if I've missed it. I don't feel like I've missed any weapons. Alright, Let's do an arena. I haven't done the Thieves Arena yet, and the Thief is one of my favorite characters in the game. It may seem basic. These guys get 2 shots. This is gonna be so easy. He may seem oh my god, English. He may seem basic. That's because I mean he is. I don't know, he's unique. I like him. I don't see a lot of people play Thief. I like to play the characters that nobody really plays. Just test them out. These guys are so weak though. Honestly, magic would probably be better. I'm questioning if I made the right choice by leveling agility, since my magic is so low in comparison and does 19 damage. I think these guys just fit my playstyle. Because all they do is shoot arrows, and all I'm doing right now is shooting arrows. Here we go. What is it? 2 more? 2 more waves? Can't we just talk about this? The king's not at this arena. I guess he only likes barbarian fights. I wonder if these guys have even less hit points than barbarians. I don't think they do. But they seem real weak. I think that's just because I'm over leveled for this fight. Is that it? One more? Come on. Let's get this shit over with. Give me my character. Bastard. Bastard. Pedophile. Rapist. Oh, why am I sandwiching? Oh, I'm fucked. Oh, okay, Jesus. There we go. Fuck all of you. I didn't mean to sandwich, but I'm not upset that I did. Hell yeah. My cardinal is not having any. He's just so miserable to be here. We got the thief. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna call it here for that episode. For this episode, my bad. I'm going to try to make the episodes a bit shorter, because you know, I'll still be putting out a video every day. Hopefully you guys like shorter videos. I know not a lot of people have like a whole 40 minutes or 30 to 40 minutes of time to devote to watching one video. So hopefully a bit more bite-sized videos you guys will enjoy. I don't know. I'm just trying stuff out. Whatever you guys prefer, let me know in the comments. I'll see what I can do. So where we're leaving off is the dock. If it is day for you, have a good day. If it's night, have a good night. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would. Tell me to go fuck myself in the comments. It's also appreciated. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.